Welcome class. Today we will start chapter 10 Safety Rules. Accident can take place if we are careless. We must take care of ourselves and others. There are some basic safety rules. They help us to avoid accidents and injuries and help us to be safe. We must always follow them. So we should always be careful, as if we will be careless, accident may take place. So we should take care of ourselves and also the members which are present around us, and we should follow the safety rules by which we can avoid accidents and injuries, and these safety rules will help us to avoid accidents. So we will read about some of the safety rules which we should follow on the road. We should always walk on the footpath or pavement. So always we should walk on a footpath or a pavement. We should look at the traffic light. The red light says stop, the yellow light say wait, the green light say go. We should cross the road when the light is green. So always we should follow a traffic light while walking on the road. So the red light it says stop, yellow light says wait, and green light says go. And if we want to cross the road, we should see that the color of the traffic light should be green. And when the color of the traffic light is green, by that time we should cross the road. We should always cross the road at a zebra crossing. So we should cross a road at a zebra crossing. We should never play in the middle of the road, and we should never play in the middle of the road. We should avoid playing in the middle of the road. Now we will see some of the safety rules which we should follow in the bus. We should stand in a queue at a bus stop. See, the children are standing in a line in a queue. So we should always stand in a queue at a bus stop. We should not get in or off a moving bus, and we should not get out or get in of a moving bus. We should not lean out of the window of a moving bus, and whenever the bus is moving, we should not see out, or we should not make our head out of the window while the bus is moving. We should sit quietly in a bus, and we should sit quietly in a bus because it is a good manner. Now we will read about some of the safety rules and good manners that we should follow in the school. So the first point says that do not jump or stand on the benches and chairs. So we should not jump or stand on the benches and chair because it might lead to an accident. Do not keep your bag and bottle on the floor. It blocks the way for others. So we should not keep our bags and bottles on the floor because the path for other is blocked. So we should avoid keeping our bags and bottle on the floor. Do not run in the corridor or on the stairs. So we should avoid running in the corridors of the school and on the stairs also. Do not go to the terrace alone. We should not go to the terrace alone. Do not push other or break the queue. So after assembly, when we are going to our classes, we should not break the line, we should not break the queue, and also we should not push others. Do not fight with others. Always listen to your teacher. So one of the good manner that we should follow in this school is that we should not fight with our friends and our classmates, and we should always listen to our teacher. Whatever the teacher says us is very beneficial to us. It is very good for us. So we should always listen to our teacher. Now we will read about some of the points, some of the safety rules that we should follow in the playground. We should play safe games. We should play in a park or a playground. So always we should play safe games, because if we will play any kind of games that will injure us, we should avoid playing such games. And whenever if we are playing, we should play in a park or a playground. We should not run after a kite or ball on the ground, and also we should not run after a kite or ball on the ground which is moving, because if we will do so, it will lead to an accident. We should wait for our turn to come, and whenever in playground if some seesaw or slides are present, we should wait for our turn to come. After our turn comes, we will ride that particular slide or a seesaw. We should not quarrel while playing the games, and also we should not fight with our friends. We should not quarrel while playing. Now we will follow some of the safety rules at home. We should not touch electric wire, plug, heaters and fans. So we should not touch any electrical wires, plugs, heater and fan, because it will lead to an accident. We should not wear nylon cloths in the kitchen. So we should always prefer cotton cloth. We should not wear nylon cloth in the kitchen because it might lead to fire. Fire may catch place. We should never play with fire or sharp object. We should never play with fire and sharp objects like needles, etc., because it may prick us. We should be careful while working with tools, and at home when we are working with some tools, we should be careful while working with them. We should not tease animals. We should learn to love them, and we should never tease animal. We should always love them. So students, today we have completed chapter 10. So your homework is to go through the chapter and read the points, read the safety rules. So in our next video we will start the next chapter, chapter number 11. So that's all for today. Thank you.